everyone, Arcade today. £100 start. It's a new one, Action Bank from Light and Wonder. Let's have a look. I got Legend of Harness, Blazing Lock. Yeah, it's got the £2 special. Yeah, I think it's kind of like a bonus shortcut, I reckon. They're half the values. Let's have a look. £50 thread, 7s, 10s. And then... Oh, it's not, okay. It's got a gamble on it. Let's go. Let's see what happens. So I never played it before, but you basically need that. I think it's just Action Bank. Let's collect that for now. I wouldn't have thought 5's worth too much. First press though. It's Action Bank with a safe. Start a pot bonus if it breaks it. Yeah, I'm in first press, but 5 you're not gonna. Let's hope it's got a pie gamble. It does. Okay, I'll try again. So it's got a pie gamble afterwards. So I'm 200 in now. I was just going to come back and say you get 3 pings and 3 spins, or 2 pings and 3 spins, or 3, and you get this. Okay, so that's any amount. But that costs 120 to get. The first one cost 2 quid. Let's see what this can do. Not the most innovative new release from Light and Wonder. Hopefully that safe cracks. It's just having a wobble. I don't think these are that valuable. That's only £4. Oh, no, he's not. Pause then as well, don't I? I'm only on £40. That's alright. 18. Last one. For 20, I don't think that's good. Well, it might be good, I don't know. There's 20. I wonder what the highest is. Number 2. Well, sheesh. Yeah, you get 3 of them for that pick then. Or 2 and the 3 spins. Looks like I'm going to chase it a bit, see what the max is. That's a cheaper one. Oh no. I never gamble on these, because then you gamble one and you feel compelled to press it again. Yeah, I don't know if I'll gamble those. I'm still 200 in. Seems to be playing a bit slower. I wonder if it's kind of teasing for that safe. I don't even know what it does. Maybe it's pots. I'll probably put a little article about it on stopandstep.com. Tiny review or something. Yeah, these aren't good, are they? Let's go for that. It's way up there. Ooh. It's coming in a lot more now. Let's just have 20. I might give up on it after this one. It's new, so I wanted to try it out. Is it just a re-trigger? Yeah, it is. That's alright then. Well, hopefully it's alright. That's 40. Mini safe now looks weird up there. Really big safe again. Doesn't really do many wins, does it? That's 20, £38. Can you pop him with that? Yeah, good. Let's give me a pot. Okay. 55 of them. Is that a line? It should be over 100, but you'd think 55 would be a couple of hundred maybe. I reckon it will re-trigger again. Yeah, first impressions aren't that great. Hopefully it re-triggers again. It's not going to get to 200. Oh boy, 6 left. Yeah. 20. Yeah. I assume it could put a pot in there. Fixed pots on this. Oh, nice, yeah. Yeah, it has about £60, I think. I tuned it in. I've got Legend of Horus after. I'm going to play it. There's a fair few in here, but I'll stick with this terminal for now. The game slows down a bit the bigger the safe gets. Five more again. That good. Yeah, it's only about £8, I think. Come on, dings. Last one. I didn't do it. I thought it was going to do it then. Let's have a look here. 100's highest. I'm 200 in. I think we've seen that game enough, haven't we? Have a lucky spin. And one bonus up. Oh, damn. Yeah, it's enough of that. Let's try Legend of Horus. On this one. Same concept again. 2 in the bonus. Got a bonus, that cost £100 to get. So each legend spin eliminates the lower value, as someone pointed out in the comments. A couple of people did actually. Go for you. And 10 and 2. Gone for 10 and 2. I don't think 12's really, value-wise, not much in that additional 2. I'm going to have those. I like this game. This is a decent new release, even though it is IFRS with a tiny twist. We're on cats. I think I've had a re-trigger on this before. Once. Ideally you need the gold horse. That'll settle for any. Go on, do one more. What's the line there? £40. Upgrade, order. I think that's 3 lines. Yes. Right then, 2 spins, Sphinxes. It does that. They're a bit crap actually. Yeah, when I first played it, I thought, oh, they seem really good. But they're not that valuable. That's £25, that one. The spins prior to the legend were really good. Just have that, yeah. Well, it cost £100 to get that, but it came in. Really well on the gamble. Have a lucky spin. Oh, go on. That was a lucky spin. Didn't Action Bank do that? No, it didn't. Gone great in 2. Maybe I should have done. That's what I had a minute ago. Let's have it. We'll do the same again. I think I'll be lucky to get over 100, to be honest. We might do it. Need some upgrades for sure. Crap. Back to normal after that last one. And birds, are they vultures? At least they made it a bit. That was a lucky last press, so I've done. You can have another lucky press. Oh yeah. 444. Right then, I just want to check something. Anyone see Rainbow Riches free spins? It is back. Let's see if Monty's Millions is back. Oh, can't see Monty. Okay, Rainbow Riches free spins came off for about a month. Now it's back there. Shall I play it? Always wary when they take them off and put them back on. Let's check that. 94% still. I wonder why they took it off. Let's watch gamble number one. £12 win. There's a lot of jacks there. I don't think I'll play this for too long. I was just curious that disappeared and then it made a comeback. I mean, there must be a reason why they took it off and put it back. Little bonus. Yeah, I'll put on the community tab on my channel that Rainbow Riches had gone and Monty had gone. Maybe some others that I've not noticed. Oh. Yeah, he's back. I'll leave it after this one. I'll find something else. It's a tenner. £10.50. There will be extra videos for the rest of this month as well. Hopefully every day. But I'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's my plan. One a day for the rest of March. Last spin, that was rubbish. I can try and get to £50. Then I'll collect. A couple of quid down. Doesn't have the £40 this one, does it? Yeah, let's have it. Lucky spin for you. Right. Yeah, Monty is definitely not there. Montezuma is. What was I thinking of playing? I just had it in my head. Now I've forgotten. That one. It's a new one. I think I played it twice. Does have a gamble. Pretty decent bonus. Let's gamble for the bonus. Straight in with that. I think that costs £8 or so. We need to catch fish. He puts them in his net and then he does a trawler afterwards. So yeah, you still need big screens of them, even if he doesn't collect them on the game, on the base game. You do want to build them up, but if it doesn't catch them afterwards, then it's rubbish. It's not guaranteed to catch one of them. He's caught those two. Pelicans don't like catching them. Huh. Well, at least it's collecting stuff. Last one. He did well at the end, didn't he? You get a trawler spin now. Ideally, one or both. Come on. Oh no, you need it. Ah, crap. Bet you're coming. You didn't. Good job he caught him down the bottom. Oh boy. Went for double. Have a lucky press. It came in quick, but got nothing from it. I'm going to play Wild Outlaws now. Doing alright, I'm 200 in. Let's mega play this. Pick number 1. Now, if I was picking, I picked that, but I'm pressing start. Oh. £20. I'll go down 300 on this. About 3 more spins. I haven't had 2 of them yet. I don't think that's it. No, not even close. Final one. And a lucky one. Yeah, quite a tough game that. I'm going to play Juice Thunder Winds. I've not played this in a while. Someone told me Spartacus actually has disappeared. Let's have a look. Yes. Oh, good. Yeah, see it maybe. It's free on there. That came in cheap. I'm doing alright on the bonuses coming in cheaply. Profit wise, I'm 100 up, 90 up. Oh, a pound. Just double checking the stake. I'm on £2 stake. Is that the super one? You zapping every time? Oh no, it's the red, isn't it? That's super. Need to expand the wheels. Is that £20-ish? 25. What did I have? Did I have 12? Was it? Yeah, I think it was 12. And for £50. That's enough a year. I kind of like that. I don't want to get involved in it. Black Knight Evolution. The online version of this is a bit crap. Well, I don't like it too much. I've tried it a couple of times. I prefer the arcade one. Spin number 1. Let's go for 8. Spin number 2, that's not bad, 18. Now if you can go in there, that'd be nice. Oh my god. Decent value win that as well. High values here need a lot of gambles to get it. or a decent win to start with. Spin number 3. There's no way it's a ×1. Hey. Turn the autoplay off there. I'm 50 out. You. Or you. Or you. Should the same. Okay. Good game this. Very innovative as well. Their new releases are just copies and things lately. Come on, shields. Uh-oh, last one, unless it shields. Fuck you. Still nothing there though. I'm only on £14. Are you? Crap, wasn't it? £14. Miles to go. Gone for 56. Well. You can have one press, and then I might leave this. Let me find one more game on here. I've been trying to get this bonus off and on for quite some time now, so I'll leave the gamble off on here. I'm 50 out. I've only gone for him, Fields of Gold. I'll play it for a little bit. Hopefully get it. I do like the bonus, don't often see it much. About 3 more spins, 3 more auto plays. I'm going to change terminal. Got my coffee down there. Can't see it actually, can I? Hidden away. I'm going to go on that in a sec. Yeah, I've not had that for ages. Let's do 3 more. Down to 200, and then I'll be exactly even. Oh, have a lucky one. Down 80p. I'm up 20p.
See you next time.
See you next time, Leprechaun. Yeah, I can't get that. It's tricky to get. I'm gonna go on here for now. So it's been okay. Ooh, accidentally loaded Action Bank. Yeah, let me know what you think of that. I don't think it's that great. It's okay. A lot of people do like Action Bank. I've never been a super fan of it. I'm going to find something on here. Next up is Demon Gold. Now, I kind of like this. That's annoying. Yeah, I don't know really. I'm kind of undecided on this. Maybe today's session will be the decider. 200 start on the session and on this terminal. Let's watch gamble number 1. I think my plan is try any pie for the 5, then go for a double, then a left, and then 15. Sounds like a lot of steps actually when you break it down like that. But I'll try that plan for a little while. That gambling plan is not needed because he came in. £40. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, held it off. Come on in, little devil. Yeah, now. Now? Yeah, 2 minutes. I mean, they could just put £40 on there, couldn't they? Change it a bit, I guess. With little pots. Yeah, nice. I reckon I like this again now. Since it doesn't do 10 dead spins. It's always annoying. Here we go. Better than nothing. I thought it was actually gonna just do nothing on that one. Oh yeah, he's wild as well. Don't think we're going to upgrade. 2 and 2 spins. No. They didn't really do much in there, did it? 127 though. Decent. There's 15. Having 15, because if it loses, sucks me in. Could have just collected. Hopefully at least £200. I don't know, it's quite a high value, isn't it? Let's have a sip of my coffee. This isn't looking good. I would have thought it couldn't do £1, could it? Oh, phew. Major's 100. Bump. Nice little animation. Oh, we're not going to upgrade. Probably. Decent win, 34. Well, I need 2 right now. My record is 3 actually in 1 spin. Thanks. 163. That's alright. I'm happy with that. What are we on? 311. I'm going to play. Oh, it knows what I want to play. Party time. Someone asked what the game is with the 7s. I think it's 7s of luck. I'll try it in a minute. One. That's £12. 10 to 1. I reckon if you cut that out 10 times, bob, 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 you'd fill it up. Go for it. Let's have it. It's that first prize. First or second, wasn't it? I had £40 on this once. That was depressing. Balloons, balloons. Oh dear. Balloons. Oh shit. That's bad. I mean, super lucky it came in. Good job it was cheap. It's enough then. What to play? I'll find something. Yeah, 7 to luck. Oh yeah, I just said I was going to play that. Someone asked what the inspired one is with the 3 lots of 7. I assume he meant this one. I think it's the only one actually on Inspired. There's a few on there, burn them up 7 and things. Got a bit of a wobble there. 36. Lingering around even, but on the profit side of even. So that's good. 5, look, up there. I was thinking 54 double. Didn't get a chance. 42.63. Puts the value right up, doesn't it? Oh, wrong button. I meant to press that one. Let's go for you now. 10, 15. This can do nothing bonuses. I'm thinking I want to go for that. I'm going for this. Phew. Let's just have 10. I banked a tenner somewhere. Didn't mean to, but I did it. £3, £6. It's got weird win lines. Yeah, that's massive. Look, one more is £35 a line, but that's over 100. Yeah. Huh. That's that one. Win? No. One win and spin? No, it's 2, wasn't it? You can have a lucky prize. Oh, I thought it was spinning round to that. Let's leave it. It's an old thing. I think it's been played once. Let's max bet you. Feature exchange. Yeah, this. Yeah, I thought someone had pressed it, would I? Oh, that's annoying. No, I want more. Why is it doing that? That's stupid. This is like the old Deal or No Deal game. With the dice in the corner. So a £20 win then will let me exchange. I'll play it for a bit. What are you doing? Nothing, I need... Oh, right, okay. You get 2, you get a respin. Oh, that's gone up to £3.50. So I'm on £2. It's a £12 win. So the gamble is 50-50 or 33%.
Pass the grog. Avast.
I'll just have it. Why is it in the gap to 3? Can you change the odds? Nah.
Booty.
Booty. We would like some booty. Let's turn that off. 3 more spins on here. It's a bit rubbish. It is the old Deal or No Deal game. Ooh. No real multiplier, unfortunately, but I can exchange, yeah? Yeah, of course I want to exchange. I turned the gamble off. Didn't like the gamble. Oh, is this it? Well. You?
Do we have a deal?
Take offer of 23. What was the highest?
Here's an offer you can't refuse.
It's going to be a low value, isn't it? 3 of you.
Pass the grog.
500?
You found
Huh.
the big booty.
Big booty. Have a lucky spin. I think the last game on here will be White Knight. I'm sure the bonus on here is good. Can't remember the gamble. Go on, cheap one. Oh, I'm sure it's a really good bonus. Gamble number 1, it's a pie. Or a shield. Pie shield. Gamble number 2 is £16 win. It's just a slow pie it all the way to 200. Or not. I'm going to leave this in a sec. 2 more auto plays. I've had a fair few teasers, but yeah, nothing. £2. Have a lucky spin. Right, let's find... do I want to play anything? Yeah, Atlantis. A really old one. I kind of like this game. Yeah, as a gamble. On or off. Oh, I think it's annoying because it puts the 50p wins in the gamble. So I might turn it off actually. Scatters 1, 3 and 5. And it does do random stuff, but I can't remember what they are. So, yeah, it puts me in the gamble on it. So I'll turn it off in a sec. There we go. You have to turn your autoplay off to turn the gamble off. There we go. Cheers, a gigantic reel. Thanks, lady. Yeah, big symbol or a bonus if it's on there. Ace. So I want to gamble that, but I can't. Never mind. Saved the money. Got a bonus. Yeah, you move in, or hopefully you move in with that dice. Let's have it up. 3, I think. Okay. Alright. £2 collect, no way. So I need that. Oh, this is that shield game, isn't it, in Centurion? Nice. Yeah, cool. It's better than that shield thing. Is it multiplying? What would I get? I don't know. Find out, I suppose. Oh, okay. I want some multipliers. Good. If I get the 5, would that be 7? Or would it just go to 5? Let's try and find out. This is looking good. Where's Jack there? How many spins have I got? 5. Oh, not many spins actually, is it? Yeah, I think it sounded better than it was. Yeah, oh crap. I was thinking this would be brilliant. Nice. Well done. You can do something? I did get the 58 from the other thing. Oh, go on, straight back. Bonus incoming. Nope. I think I might leave this. Nah, Centurion Maximus Payas. I think this is the 3 spins one. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think it is. Let's try it for a bit. Try it for £50. There's Maximus in the bush. Oh, Just talking about you. Yeah. Still annoying on all the games. More spins, and then I'll leave this. Maybe a couple more. That's only £2. He popped up once for that blag right at the beginning. I'm 100 up. I'm going to put the last terminal. I think £100 versus beautiful sunny day out there today. £100 on. I'll put the whole ticket in. Perfect prize pooch. Wherever that's gone. It's around there somewhere. I'll find it. There he is. Sit down. Okay, I like this. It's alright. Why am I doing that? That's 5. First win, it cost £82. That's 5. Yep. Pretty certain you won't get anywhere with 5. I mean, it must do sometimes. Has anyone ever collected 5? I've never ever collected it. How much difference there? I'm thinking 15, but I'm going for that. Oh. Well, both lost. If nothing comes of this last 7, then I'll call it a day. See what's going on here. That's what's happening. Yeah, 6 more spins. I'm 200 in. So I mean, break even. I'll call that a win. 5.220 up. Yeah, I had 420 on the Equinox over there. I think I did on that actually. Advantage. Come on. Oh, that's my last spin. Give us a bone. Yeah, you're not coming in, are you? 70p in profit. I'm calling it a day now. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe. Appreciate it if you did. And it's a beautiful spring day out there. I'm going to cash this in. So yeah, have a great day. See you later. Bye.